Hello, it's Chris from Cricut. Thanks for watching our how-to series. In this video, I'll show you how to change foil transfer tooltips mid-project. As you can see from the Set, Load, and Go screen, we've made one transfer with the fine tip and we need to switch to the bold tip. We'll start by opening up the B-clamp. See how the machine has partially unloaded the mat so you can switch between tooltips. We'll zoom in to get a better look. The bold tip has 3 lines at the top of the screen. The medium tip has 2 and the fine tip has just 1. These tips are magnetic and very easy to change. You simply push the plunger, pull the tip out, and we'll grab the bold tip, which has the 3 lines on it, and we'll push the plunger again and insert it into the foil transfer tool. From here, follow the instruction on the Set, Load, and Go screen, starting with placing the foil transfer tool back in the B-clamp. Thanks for watching the official Cricut YouTube channel. Leave a comment below if you want to join the conversation, and please subscribe if you want to get notifications about new content.